Looking for a shampoo that cleans, grows, and keep your hair dark without chemicals? You are about to see my secret DIY recipe. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and join our family. And to my returning loves, thank you so much for always supporting me. Let's begin with our herbs. Here I have cloves and rosemary. These two are very powerful. Cloves add strength and shine, while rosemary promotes growth and helps keep our dark hair rich and healthy. I place both herbs into a clean jar. Next, I added a lot of boiled water. But remember, do not pour the boiling water directly. Allow it to cool down a little before adding it into the jar with the cloves and rosemary. After that, I covered it and allow it to infuse overnight so all the goodness from the herbs can release into the water. If you are enjoying this process already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. The next day, I strain out the herbs into a clean plate. What I have here is my herbal infusion, full of nutrients for the scalp and hair. Now, it's time to introduce our African Black Soap. African Black Soap is a gentle cleanser that removes dirt and build-ups without being too harsh. I use my fingers to break the soap into small pieces inside the strained herb water. Then I allowed it to dissolve slowly. Once the soap dissolved, I added 2 tablespoons of honey for moisture. Some olive oil for softness and shine. A few drops of tea tree essential oil for healthy scalp. These ingredients make the shampoo more nourishing and balanced. Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your thoughts. Mix everything properly. Then strain it once more to remove any particles. I poured my shampoo into an applicator bottle. And that's it, my love. Our DIY African Black Soap Shampoo is ready to use. This shampoo is affordable, natural, and so effective. It cleanses the scalp, promotes hair growth, and helps maintain our dark, healthy hair. Please try it and see how your hair loves it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and keep taking care of your crown.